Hi all, I am Pravin. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. As I have promised you all that I'll be back with a new video lecture which will be based on picture based question of history for your semester examination 1. This lecture is going to be a very important lecture, as again this picture based question can be very tricky. Today I have selected some very important questions which are likely to find a place in your upcoming board examination, and I hope you are well prepared with this question. I know some of you get nightmares with this question, which is picture related question. So here we go with question number 1. Before we begin our class, I want you all to sit with a notebook and a pen and write down your answer. I will give you 10 seconds to write the answer. No need to write the entire answer. You have to select only option, that is A, B, C or D. I am sure you are going to love this class. This class will be a fun for all of you. At the same time, it will be a revision. So be ready with your pen and a notebook. Here we go with question number 1. So here you have a picture of a greatest social and religious reformer of the century. I am sure most of you might have already recognized whose picture is this. Question number 1. Identify the picture, and these are your 4 options. Have you selected your option? If yes, then let's move on to the next question. And next question is, leader in this picture founded what? Brahmo Samaj, Satya Shodhak Samaj, Arya Samaj, Ram Krishna Mission. Please pick your answer and be ready with it. I am starting a timer now. 6, 5, and that's it. Time up. Let's move on to next question, that is question number 3. And this question is going to be for 2 marks. First question was for 1 mark, second question was also for 1 mark, and this question is for 2 marks. You get a picture based question in your examination for 4 marks, and there are 2 questions, so these 8 marks, and we have to stamp our authority on these 8 marks. So here is question number 3. Which were the reforms demanded by the leader in the picture? It is 2 mark question, so yes, it's going to be a tricky question. Have you selected the option? Let me start a timer. 5, 3, and that's all. Time up. So here are your answer. First option is B, second option is A, and third option is C. I hope you are right with your option. This question is very important. You can expect any of this question in your examination. Let's move on to next question. Look at this face. You must have seen this face, this picture in your textbook also. So read question number 1, and generally question number 1 is identify the picture. Then question number 2, which organization was founded by the above social reform? Let me start a timer. 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's all. Time up. Next question is a 2 mark question. I hope you have watched my video related to dates, related to events, chronology, and if you have done that, this question is very easy for you. I will put the link of that video in the I button, also in the description box. Please don't forget to watch that video. So this is a question, it is related to date. Let me start the timer with 10, 9, 8, and so on. 3, 2, 1, and time up. Now it's time to see the answer. So these are our 3 answers. First option is A, second option is C, and third option is A. I hope you are getting it right. If not, then this class is a good revision for you all. Let's move on to the next picture, and next picture is this, and this is the question number 1 for 1 mark and question number 2 for 1 mark. Let me start a timer. 7, 6, 5, Okay, time up. Next question. And another two questions are also 1 mark each. That is question number 3 and question number 4. Here goes the timer. One, zero, time up. Are you ready with your answer? So let's check our answer whether it is right or wrong. So these are 4 answers. First option D, second one also D, third C, and fourth one is B. I hope you are having lot of fun with this question. Let's go on to the next question. Question number 4. Yes, this famous personality. Question number 1, question number 2, and here goes my timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up, time up, time up. Okay, and next question. Question number 3 and question number 4. In case if you have 3 questions, then first 2 questions, that is question number 1 and question number 2, will be for 1 mark each, and third question will be for 2 marks. But in case if you have 4 questions, then it will be 1 mark each. So picture based question will be for 4 marks, and most probably you are going to have 2 questions in your examination, totally 8 marks. So now let us check our answer. So here we go with our answer. Correct options are question number 1 A, question number 2 also A, question number 3 D, and question number 4 C. Yes sir, this is a good revision, fun plus revisions. So next question, question number 5. This is a picture and these are the question, and this is my timer which is started. So hurry up. If you feel the time given by me is too less, so you can pause my video till you write your answer and then you can continue. So let's move on to question number 3 for 2 marks. So here we have 3 questions. So first question for 1 mark, second question for 1 mark, and third question for 2 marks. Totally 4 marks. Let me start the timer. Sir, this is unfair. For 1 mark question as well as 2 mark question, you are giving us same time. Don't worry students. Pause the video and write your correct answer. Then restart it to check the answer. So here we go with our answer. So 3 answers are: first question, option is C. Second question, correct option is D. Third question is option B. Yes sir, I am very much eager for my next question. Next question is related to Subhash Chandra Bose. Look at this picture. Only 1 question for 1 mark. Let me start my timer. 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes, I am ready with my answer. Let's go with the second question and third also. And my timer. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up, time up, time up. Here is the answer. First question, correct option is A. Second question, correct option is C. Third question, again correct option is C. So next question is this. For a change, we don't have a Indian leader. Instead, we have some Britisher. And here goes my timer. 3, 2, 1. Time up. Next question, that is question number 3 and question number 4 as well. Timer, please start ticking. And here it goes. Time up, time up, time up. And this is the answer. First option is C. For second question, correct option is again C. Third is D and fourth is A. I hope today's class you have found very interesting. It was a fun along with the revision. I promise that I will bring more and more video lectures like this. If you want PDF of today's lecture, then please like my video. Also, find my email address from the description box and email to me that you want a PDF. I promise that within no time I will send you PDF of this class. Also, all these PDFs are available on my app, which is there on a Play Store by the name PrepWin app. PDFs, notes and everything you will get on my app, which is there on a Play Store by this name, that is PrepWin. If you have some other requirement, don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. Also, you can find my email address from the description box. I am very much eager to help you out, and I promise I will leave no stone unturned so that you get good marks in your examination. I am sure you are going to rock your history paper and you are going to come out with the flying colors. Please don't forget to watch the another video. Also, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. That keep me motivated. I feel like bringing more and more video like this. And at the end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that next time when I upload a new video related to your examination, you get a notification of it. So don't forget to hit that notification button as well. So I am signing off with a promise to you that I will soon meet you in my next class, and at the end of this video lecture, I want to wish a best of luck to all of you. And once again, all the best.